Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts, your go-to source for in-depth market analysis. Today we'll be tackling the fascinating world of Bitcoin, delving into both the recent news and the charts to get a comprehensive overview. Let's start with a look at the recent news. The dominant narrative revolves around Bitcoin's surge past $107,000, fueled by speculation about a potential strategic reserve being created by President-elect Trump. This positive sentiment appears to have driven the price to its highest levels ever. Several sources like CNBC, Investors Business Daily, and Reuters have reported on this news and its impact on Bitcoin's price. While these news events are undoubtedly impacting the market, it's always important to consult the charts for a balanced perspective. Now, let's examine the BTCUSD daily chart. The overall trend seems to be bullish, with the price consistently making higher highs and higher lows. However, there is a notable recent price drop on the chart. Notice the large candlestick showing a significant price drop. This illustrates a potential temporary shift in sentiment. As we zoom in, we can see that the recent sharp price increase brought Bitcoin to unprecedented highs. The price action shows a strong bullish momentum up until this point. Nonetheless, this candlestick signals a potential moment of consolidation. Looking at the hourly chart provides a more granular view of price movements. Here we can observe smaller, more frequent fluctuations reflecting the shorter time frame. We can also identify key support and resistance levels more clearly on this chart. Correlating this with the news, we can see how the initial positive news about President-elect Trump potentially creating a Bitcoin reserve initially pushed the price higher. Finally, let's analyze the 15-minute chart for a very short-term outlook. The 15-minute chart presents the fastest-paced price movements of the three charts being examined. It is extremely useful in finding potential short-term entry and exit points. This chart shows the short-term volatility caused by traders reacting to current news. In summary, the Bitcoin market is currently in an overall bullish trend, yet with some very short-term bearish pressure. Key price levels to watch closely are the immediate support around $95,000 and the strong resistance at around $105,000. A breakout above $105,000 would significantly reinforce the bullish outlook. However, a sustained break below $95,000 may indicate further downward pressure. The likelihood of a short-term price correction is relatively high. This would likely be prompted by profit-taking and consolidation. In the long term, the general sentiment remains bullish, but we must be cautious. Therefore, we must pay close attention to changes in sentiment to gauge the long-term trend. Remember, this analysis is based on the data available up to December 17, 2024, and is not financial advice. Always conduct your own thorough research and consider seeking advice from a qualified financial advisor before making any trading decisions.